you guys go ahead. I'll park the car.
So, you still think this was a good idea?
Of course. Look, Mom and Dad look happy to see us.
Who on earth are they?
I think that's our little girl.
That's not little, that's a really big problem. Wasn't she supposed to kiss Prince Charming and break the spell?
Well, he's no Prince Charming, but they do look...
Happy now? We came, we saw them. Now let's go before they light the torches.
They're my parents.
Hello, they locked you in a tower.
Hey, that was for my own...
Good! Now here's our chance. Let's go back inside and pretend we're not home.
Harold, we have to be...
Quick, while they're not looking, we can make a run for it.
Shrek, stop it! Everything's gonna
A
be...
disaster! There is no way.
You can do this.
But I really
Don't
want to
be...
Mom, Dad, I'd like you to meet my husband, Shrek.
Well, it's easy to see where Fiona gets her good looks from.
Excuse me.
Better out than in, I always say, eh, Fiona? That's good. I guess not.
What do you mean not on the list? Don't tell me you don't know who I am. Hey! What's happening, everybody? Thanks for waiting. You know, I had the hardest time finding this place.
No! Bad donkey! Bad! Down!
No, Dad, it's all right. It's all right. He's with us. He helped rescue me from the dragon.
Yep, that's me, the noble steed. Hey, waiter, how about a bowl for the steed?
Oh, boy.
Shrek.
Yeah? Oh, sorry. Great soup, Mrs. Q. Mmm.
No, darling.
Oh.
So, Fiona, tell us about where you live.
Well, Shrek owns his own land. Don't you, honey?
Oh, yes. It's in an enchanted forest. Abundant in squirrels and cute little duckies and...
What? I know you ain't talking about the swamp.
Donkey.
An ogre from a swamp. Oh, how original.
Well, I suppose that will be a fine place to raise the children.
It's a bit early to be thinking about that, isn't it?
Indeed. I just started eating.
Harold!
What's that supposed to mean?
Dad, it's great, okay?
Well, for his type, yes.
My type?
I gotta go to the bathroom. Dinner is served. Never mind, I can hold it.
Bon appetit.
Oh, Mexican food, my favorite.
Well, let's not just sit here with our tummies rumbling. Everybody dig in.
Don't mind if I do, Lillian.
So, I suppose any grandchildren I could expect from you would be...
Ogres. Yes.
Not that there's anything wrong with that. Right, Harold?
Oh, no, of course not. That is assuming you don't eat your own young.
Dad!
Oh, no. We usually prefer the ones who've been locked away in a tower.
Shrek, please.
I only did that because I love her.
Oh, aye. Daycare or dragon-guarded castle?
You wouldn't understand. You're not her father.
It's so nice to have the family together for dinner.
Shrek!
Fiona!
Fiona!
Mom!
Harold!
Donkey!